He's at third. Geyer on second base. Another 3-2 pitch. Ground ball through the hole. Loney's going to score. Geyer will be waved home. 2 more runs score. Arencibia does get those 2 runners home. His 3rd and 4th runs batted into the night. And suddenly it's an 8-0 game.
Boy, the route is on. There's just no stop right now in the Rays in their approach against the Orioles. And Arencibia finally does get the pitch out over the plate, gets extended, gets it in the hole, and gets 2 more runs batted in.